think the time that information becomes data is when we organize it. We give it structure. We give it format. In this sense, right? Still information, but now it's called data when we have it organized in a computer-friendly format so that we can really unlock just a huge amount of power that was hidden for a long time until we realized that we can organize things in the terms of the computer. We can really do a lot more with our information. So we have a data matrix is a square shape. Pandas data frame is the same thing, square shape. Right here we have the columns and we have the index. The important thing here is that this allows us to access either column or row, but also to access any data point with the column, kind of the coordinates of where each data point is. And this allows us to find the data, do lots of things with it, play around with the data and all those things. Okay. So Pandas data frame is what we're going to use, and really a Pandas data frame gives our data structure. This data matrix gives our data structure, our information structure, and that is when I feel like we can call it data. And just like the Pandas data frame gives our data structure, our data over here is giving our Panda structure.